How to add an image slider to Wix. So head over to any blank part of your page and then click on the this plus icon. From in there, head over to the media and then go right here to the images part. So onto the images part, you can see right here that we have this part of slider and we also have in here this part slider. So let's choose in here this image slider right here with arrows in order to indicate the slide options. So let's just drag and drop it into our page and it will be attached into that part as well. So attach it right there. Now it will take some seconds for it to successfully load. So just head over and then wait for it to finish loading altogether. Now from in there, we can now see here our image slider. You can also notice right here the arrows. So you can just click on that in order to slide over the images that we have right there. If you want to edit it, just head over and click on it. And once you have clicked onto that particular gallery, you can click onto this manage media in order to change the images that will be presented. So that's how you add an image slider to Wix. Hope we helped.